Good morning, class. My name is Harsha Jumnani. Today's date is 7th December 2020. This is class 9th, and I'll be teaching you commerce. The period is third, and the duration of this class is 35 minutes. So, students, I'm going to ask you few questions, and if you know the answers, then give your answers in complete sentence. So, the first question is why people do business? Yes, people do business to earn profit. The second question is, does a businessman always earn profit? No, sometimes he occurs losses also. Can losses be calculated before starting business? No, losses are always unpredictable. They cannot be calculated. The owner bears this uncertainty, this capacity of owner is called what? The capacity of the owner is known as risk bearing capacity. Very good. The last question is, how can risk be minimized? So, students, today we shall study about insurance. So, what do you understand by insurance? Here is the meaning of insurance. Insurance is a means of protection. Insurance is a means of protection of financial loss. It is a legal agreement between two parties, that is, the insurer and the insured, where the insurance company promises to compensate for financial loss. The insured person has to pay a sum of money as a premium. Now, what are the different types of insurance? So, there are mainly two types of insurance, that is life insurance and general insurance. Life insurance is a contract between insurance policy holder and insurance company, where the insurer promises to pay a sum of money in exchange of premium upon the death of insured or after set period. That is why life insurance is also known as investment. And the second one is general insurance. Any insurance that is not determined to be life insurance, then it is known as general insurance. General insurance covers different types of things such as insurance contracts that do not come under the ambit of life insurance are called general insurance. So the types of general insurance are as follows. The first one is motor insurance. The second is fire insurance, where we insure our goods in case the fire occurs. Third is health insurance. Fourth is marine insurance. Marine insurance is related with insurance of ships, cargoes. So, what are the characteristics of insurance? Here are the characteristics of insurance. The first one is it is a contract, means it is a contract between the insurer and the insured, where the insurer promises to pay a certain sum of money in case of death or at the maturity of the contract. Now, the second feature is undertaking of risk, means the insurance company undertakes the risk in case any uncertainty happens, then insurance company promises to pay a certain sum of money. So the third characteristics, it is a cooperative device. Insurance company works on the principle of cooperation. Fourth, premium. Premium is what? The amount paid by the insured. And the fifth point is provide protection. Protection is provided by the insurance company. So in case any uncertainty happens with the insured, then in that case insurance company will pay the person. Now students, let's check how much have you learned. What do you mean by insurance? Insurance is a contract between the insured and the insurer. Very good. Which two parties are involved in insurance? The two parties that are involved in insurance are the insurance company and the insured. Third, what is the consideration paid by insured called? It is called as premium. What are the types of insurance? The types of insurance are general insurance and life insurance. What are types of general insurance? General insurance includes marine insurance, health insurance, medical insurance, motor insurance, etc. So, now students, giving you some statements, then if the statement is true, you have to say true, and if the statements are false, you have to say false. So the first question is, there are three parties in the contract of insurance. So what would be the answer? It is obviously no, because there are two parties, insurer and the insured. Premium is paid as consideration by insured to insurance company. Yes, it is true. Premium is paid as a consideration. General insurance covers life of a person. No, general insurance does not cover life of a person because it is covered under life insurance. Fire insurance is a type of general insurance. Yes, it is. Financial protection of family after death of a person is given under life insurance. Yes, it is true perfectly. So students, now note down your homework. What do you mean by insurance? Write its characteristics. Thank you so much, class.